Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So I'm back here today with this gorgeous sunset summer eye makeup inspired look. So let's quickly begin. So first off, I'm going to prime my eyelids. So for that, I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and prime my eyelids. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to move on to creating the crease shade. So I'll be using my Coastal Scents 252 Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette, and I'll pick up the bright yellow tone. Next, I will use my Colourpop Dream St palette, and I'll pick up this gorgeous orangey summer sunset shade, and I will blend it with the yellow we used on the crease. Then once I'm done with that, I'll go back to my Coastal Scents palette and I'll pick up another bright orange shade for my eyelid, and I'm going to pack this shade on nicely. Now once I've packed that color on, I'm going to go back to the yellow we used earlier and I will blend it with the other colors we used on our eyes. Next, I'm moving on to highlighting my brow bone. Here I will just use any shimmery ivory color that you have. You can use that. So this is what we have on our eyes so far. And now the much awaited part of the look, the lilac eyeliner. Now for this, I'm using my NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner in the shade Vivid Blossom. Next, we move on to our face, and for that I'm going to go back to my trusty Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and doing the usual drill under my eyes, around my mouth, on my nose, forehead and all of that. And I will blend it with my beauty sponge. Now I will set all of that in place using my Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder in the shade 110. And now time to add some color back in my face with the Benefit Hoola Bronzer. You guys have seen me do this 10 times already, so you know what I'm going to do with this. For blush today, I'm choosing the Milani Baked Luminoso. It's a gorgeous peach tone blush and it has some reflects of shimmer as well. So it's just going to add a nice glow to the cheeks. I'm going to quickly go back to my eyes and finish off the lower lid and the lashes. So on the lower lash line, I'm using the same orange tone we used on the eyelids and I'll blend it out. For the waterline, I'm using this L'Oreal Silk Kiss Me Purple Kajal. Here I'm using the Elizabeth Arden Grand Entry Mascara for the lashes. It's an alright mascara. I have it, so I'm trying to get over with it. For lips today, we have the Anastasia Dusty Rose. It's a beautiful neutral matte pink shade, and I think it's going to complement this look perfectly. Going back to my most favorite Benefit What's Up highlighter, it gives the most banging highlight, and I bet this highlight can be seen from space. If you want this look to be a little more wearable and not as dramatic, then you can do this with a black eyeliner as well. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this look. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button if you want to get notified for my videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.